Secret ways to make money on YouTube. Look, nobody wants to tell you they keep all of that good information to themselves. Those top YouTubers that are making all that money, they don't want you to know about this stuff. But in this video, I'm going to share with you the secrets that they know that help them make money. And you know what? It has nothing to do with running ads on their videos. And we're starting right now. Hey, I'm JR Fisher. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, take a look around, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and turn on all notifications, the bell notifications. Make sure you turn on all of them. That way when I do one of these videos, you'll be notified, you'll know about it, and if I go live, you'll also be notified about that. You'll be part of the VIP group, the Fisher family. Okay, let's jump right into this. Now, I've been online for over 10 years now. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and this whole YouTube thing really interested me, so I got involved in it, and I've kind of cracked the code as far as what's going to really make you money on YouTube. You don't need a lot of subscribers, you don't have to have tons of views. There's some little secret things that you can do though that are going to make you some money, so let's jump right into it. Now, the first thing I'm going to tell you, most people believe that all that money is being made on ads, and that's just not the case. Ads can be a portion of your income, but it's really a small portion. It may only be 10 or 20% of your income from what you can do. Now, the way you're going to start off, first off, is you've got to build a real niche. Okay, so in other words, don't just do random videos, don't do just me blogging going down the street. You know, that may work for a celebrity, but for the average person, they have to have a niche. They have to have a particular subject that they stay on, that people know they can come back to and see more videos about that particular subject. Now, of course, once you build a niche, once people know you and you get known for something, yeah, you can sell anything. You think of somebody like Kim Kardashian, and no matter what she puts her name on, it's going to sell because she's built that brand. But that's what the stage that most of you guys are at right now, is you're building that brand, and to build that brand you have to start with a niche, something that is very particular to you. Now, my niche is that I sell stuff online and I teach people how to sell stuff online and make money. So it's all online business. Okay, I don't do real estate, I don't do, you know, living blogging, I don't do restaurants, I don't do any of that. It's all about making money online. So that's my particular niche. That's why somebody comes to this channel, is to learn all the different ways to do that. Let's talk about all these ways you can make money. I'm going to say number one is sell merchandise. Now, selling merchandise is very profitable. I suggest that if you've got a channel and you've got a niche worked out, whether it's about, you know, kittens, or whether it's about fishing or golfing or whatever, that you start selling some apparel. Nowadays, you don't have to print up apparel and sell it to people. That's not necessary. You can use one of the services that will actually print on demand, which is POD. You can use something like Printify or Printful. I'll put links below in the description so you can figure that out. But basically the way it works is somebody's going to buy a shirt from you for say $25. You're going to pay Printful or Printify the $8 or $10 that it cost you to print that shirt, and they're going to actually ship it out. That way you don't have to have all these sizes in stock and all these different colors. You can just upload your designs to one of these websites, and once you do that, you can actually start selling those shirts, and they're going to send it out for you. So that's the first way, is to sell merchandise. Number two way is to have free opt-ins. Now you say, well, how am I going to make money with free opt-ins, JR? Free is free, you don't make any money on that. Now, what the opt-ins are is your way of building a list of people who have interest in what you've got to sell. So let's say I'm doing a video like this, and I'm going to say below there's a free course you can get, which there is. It's a $97 course, but you can get it absolutely free. There's my opt-in. Okay, and right now you should do that. You should grab that course, by the way. It's a really good course. It's not going to be free forever. So once somebody opt-ins for that course and they like that course, I offer them some of my other courses I have for sale. So what I've done is I've built that audience, and I can now market to those people. Next up is do sponsored reviews and videos. And what do I mean by sponsored? There are companies out there that will pay you to do a video on their product. So maybe you're reviewing cameras, maybe you are reviewing certain softwares or some product for the kitchen, you know, if that's your niche. There are companies that will actually pay you and send you the product for you to do a video on it. Now, I get these requests on a regular basis, but a lot of them just don't fit. So, you know, I had somebody the other day who wanted me to do a video on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's just not my thing. I'm not into that. I'm not a big believer of it, so I can't do a video on that. So the one thing I'll tell you is, if you're going to do a sponsored video where somebody actually pays you to do a video, You want to make sure it's something that you believe in. You don't want to be known as the person that will sponsor anything, that will do a video on anything. That's not what you want. And I know you're thinking, well, you know, I don't have a big enough audience yet, I only get a few hundred people. You'll be surprised how many of these companies just want to get some videos out there. Maybe they'll just send you a free product for you to review. That's good enough, right? You're starting to make money, and the more of these videos you make, the more real estate you have. That's one thing that people don't understand, is that they need to keep making these videos, because the more videos you make, the more views you're going to get. Initially, you're not going to get a lot of views. You may get no views in the beginning, but if you keep making them and you keep doing them, you're going to get views. And as you get more views, there's more opportunities out there to do videos that are sponsored videos. Next thing I'm going to tell you is affiliate links. Affiliate links are awesome. They really are. And affiliate links are going to be placed in the description of your video right below the video. Now, these affiliate links could be Amazon links. Amazon links are great. You're not going to make a lot of money on Amazon links. I do want to warn you about that. However, you're going to make some money, and it's not really about, I hear people saying, well, I'm not going to make but $5 or $10 on that. But what if you made $5 or $10, you know, 20 times a month, and you had it on 20 videos? You see, it does start to add up. So what you need to think about is all these different little revenue streams. Now, getting an Amazon link is really simple. You just go to, and you can just Google Amazon link or Amazon affiliate program, and you're going to go to the page that actually has the sign up. You're going to sign up, you're going to give them a bank account or a PayPal account, whatever you want to do to get paid so that you can use affiliate links. Once you've done that, then all you have to do is go to Amazon, find a product that you want to offer out there. I know in the bottom of this video here, I've got a lot of links to some of the equipment that I've got in my office here, because people want to know, you know, hey, what kind of light do you have? What kind of camera do you have? What kind of camera stand do you have? So I put those links below so people can click on it and go find those products. So once you found a product on Amazon you want to sell, all you do is you go up to the top left hand corner and you'll see your links up there. You can click on it, you can get a text link, you can get a, you know, picture link, whatever you want, and then you're going to put that in the description of your video below. When somebody clicks that link and they go to Amazon and they actually buy that product, you're going to receive a commission. But here's the cool thing: if they buy another product after they've clicked that link within the next 48 hours, you're still going to get a commission on it. So that's really a pretty cool way of having money come in, and it's really passive. Now, what I've done is I've put a lot of those links into my automatic upload text, so that every time I do a video, they're just there. I don't have to enter them in every single time. It saves a lot of time. So what you want to do is build all those links, have all those links ready, so that every time you upload a video, they're just there. The next thing is use Patreon. Now, I don't use Patreon, but there's a lot of YouTubers that do it. There's a lot of different ways of going about it, but generally a Patreon account is going to be an account where somebody's going to pay you to watch your videos, but they're going to get some extra perks. So maybe the people who pay you get to see your videos a little bit sooner. Maybe the people who pay you will get a free Q&A once a month or once a week. Maybe the people who pay you will get some merchandise once a month. So there's all kinds of different business models there. I would say go to patreon.com, see how it works, look at some of the examples there, and you can make money on that. I know one YouTuber actually does a lot of videos, and he travels around the world, and what he does with his Patreon account is he actually gives that money back, which is pretty cool, to business owners, because he goes around and the entire world and he talks to business owners, and as he does that, the money that comes in Patreon, he will actually give it to a deserving business owner. Now, he has money coming in from other sources, so he just takes that portion of money just to hand out. Now, here's the cool thing about that. You're saying, well, he's giving away the money he's, you know, getting, so, you know, it doesn't do him any good. It does him a lot of good, because people love watching those videos. They love seeing him do that, and since they love seeing him do that, he makes money on the next thing I'm going to tell you, which is running ads on your videos. Now, this is not something you're going to be able to do in the beginning. However, it is something you'll be able to do on down the road, as long as you keep uploading videos. This is the biggest thing I see with people, and I see so many channels out there that have 50 subscribers or 150 subscribers, and they don't upload videos. They just don't, and they go, we want more subscribers. Well, you know, they've already watched your 8 videos. There's nothing else. There's no reason to subscribe to you, because you haven't uploaded in 3 months or 4 months or 6 months. If you don't consistently do this, guys, you can never build an audience, and if you don't build an audience, you can never monetize your videos. Now, to monetize, you're going to need 4,000 hours of watch time in the previous 12 months. So as you can see, this is not the number one way to make money, because most people just can't make money in the beginning that way. They don't have the following, they don't have the audience. And I know a lot of you out there going, oh, I can just run ads, that's how I'm gonna make money. It's a lot more than that. There's a lot more you got to do. All those steps I just went through will make you money instantly if you just do those steps. The problem is most people don't do those. They don't even put a description. So they don't put affiliate links in their description. They don't put free courses. Remember, I got a free course, you got to go grab that free course down there. They don't put those things in the description, so they can't build a list. And if they can't build a list, then they can't market to the people and they can't make money. Now I want to hear, do you have a channel? Are you working on it? What's your niche? What have you tried to do? I want to hear what you're doing out there. I know a lot of you are working on your channels right now. You're trying to figure this thing out. You're trying to figure out how to make money, and you may be a little surprised that, you know, some of the top ways to make money have nothing to do with running ads. Give me your opinion in the comments below. Post in there what you've done, what you've tried. Tell me about your channel. I want to go check it out. If you post down there and you just say, I've got a channel, I'll click on your name, I'll go to your channel, maybe I'll subscribe to your channel and help you build your list. And don't forget, you got to help me. You got to what? Ring the bell, right? Turn on all bell notifications. That way you're part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified, and also subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you listening to this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.